you excited?
Yep,
How come?
because it's a gun.
Today we've bought our very first family gun. Pretty excited. It is a Ruger American, obviously. And we got the Simmons 3x9 scope to go on it. Picked these items up at Smith & Edwards here in Utah. Up in Ogden, not far from where we live. Gun cleaning kit, a whole bunch of bullets, 400 rounds, and the mounting rails for the scope. So, without further ado, bolt action 22 long rifle. Comes with an additional butt stock to raise your cheek up for the scope. There you go, there you have it. Really nice logo, rubberized logo in the grip stock there. And we also got ourselves this little Allen rifle bag. 100% American made. Awesome. Really nice sliding action. Goes down super easy to get your bolt out. You just got that release right there. Comes right out. Really nice piece there. And then the 10 clip magazine just comes out like that right there. Drops right in. I guess you can get up to 20 round magazines, maybe more. But got your safety here, fire safe, another trigger guard safety right there, and plastic composite, of course. What I really like is this, the shoulder harness mounts are steel at both ends, so those should hold up to some abuse. So let's get to mounting that scope. Simmons rifle scope. This was a nice deal because it came with the mounting rings included, as well as a nice cover cap system. Alright, so it turns out we didn't need to use these after all. So, alright. It is the right way. Now, I'm going to move this back a little ways. I don't know. We'll be adjusting it. Nice and snug. Cool. Slide bolt in. Make sure that there we go. Very nice. Awesome.
The bottom of it.
Alright, next up we're going to go out and take it and shoot it.